What's the meaning of advantaged? Advantaged. 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 The term advantaged refers to a situation where an individual or group has a higher level of access, resources, or opportunities than others. This advantage can be a result of various factors such as socioeconomic status, education, race, or gender. Being advantaged can lead to greater success in areas such as education, career, and personal growth. However, it also contributes to systemic inequality and can leave those who are disadvantaged struggling to overcome barriers and achieve similar levels of success. Addressing these disparities is crucial for creating a fairer and more just society.